recording, or I will only explain. Then he checked the recording. Then he understood.
Saw it there. So you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
ask questions. 40%.
Yes,
I
ma'am,
don't
we
know.
Yes,
did it,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, we
7% of
have done this.
RS
We have
and
done this.
150.
Okay, so
We
this
have
we have
done
not
this.
done. Find the number whose 12.5%
Ma'am, but can you just do it once
answer.
again? The
Why do you want to do it once again? Again, we'll be wasting time, so much time. We have already done these questions and answers also. You can go through the recording, Abdullah. Answers you can find from there. I think we discussed all the answers. Amina, just check your notebook. Have we?
Yes, ma'am. We have.
So just take answers. Those who have not completed can take answer from your friends also. Those who have completed and can go through the recordings also. Okay. Now this is very one important type of question which is asked. Like find that this is thoda sa tricky type question. Okay. So isko just understand how do we do these questions. Now if the question is asked, find the number whose 12.5% is 64. Okay, if something is asked like 2% of particular number, you have to multiply that. Okay, you know that you just multiply like 7% of 7150, you just multiply 7 by 100 into 7150 and you get the answer. So it's form kiya, multiply kiya and you get the answer.
not understand.
No, I am just telling what we did in the previous class. Now I'll start from here. So, but
Ma'am,
this
the
was
answer is, ma'am, the answer should be 23.
here, this one,
Yes, ma'am.
second one. I'm explaining you how to do this now. See, those who already know, just wait for a moment and then you see whether you're getting the same answer or not when I explain it. Okay. Now find the number whose 12.5% is 64. That means how will you write this? This is actually 12.5% of some number. 12.5% of a number which we don't know is equal to 64. This is your question. Okay. Find the
Ma'am, but it
number.
is written that find the number whose 12
Okay.
by 12% is 64. So 12 by 12 of 6, we
12
need to
by
do
Not
of
12 by
64,
12
12
1 by
by,
2.
Half is gonna be 6 now,
yeah.
ma'am.
ठीक है 12 1 by 2% of some number. So I have to find this number. Now let this number be x. X is any algebra. I'm just taking use of algebra, ठीक है, because it is easier to solve problems using algebra. Now algebra में क्या होता है, we take any unknown thing as x. X बोलते हैं ना Mr. X, so it is Mr. X. We don't know anything about it, and end में we'll find out what is the value of x. Now it is 12 1 by 2. What is 12 1 by 2? Is 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. Okay. 25 by 2 percent means divided by 100. Correct? Upon 100. I'm not writing upon क्योंकि confusion हो जाता है fraction by fraction. And
And we'll
of,
do lowest form.
correct. नहीं, we'll do something. See what I'm doing. ठीक है. So continue the questions as it is. Now divide sign होता है fraction. What do we
Why
do?
you are divided by
reciprocal, ma'am,
100?
multiplied by 1 by 100.
See, अगर 2% होता, so what do we do? What do we do, Amina? 2% को we write 2 by 100.
Yes.
Do we write like that? So 2 by 100 is what? 2 divided by 100 only, ना? But यहाँ पे fraction है. Then fraction को you could have written by 100 also, but solve करने में difficulty होता है. So I'm making it easier. Okay? So
Oh,
इसको
okay.
divide by 100 किया, so that into करके 1 by 100 कर लिया. ठीक है? You know reciprocal करते हैं. And then into x.
But ma'am, why you did not do the lowest form like we do in
अभी कर
other
लो ना.
signs?
अभी you do lowest form. You have to do lowest form. 25 4s
And 1
100. ठीक है. So basically you are getting x upon 4 into 2. Correct? 8 equal to 64. Now remember one thing, how to find the value of x. To find the value of x, you see, I want only x on left hand side. So 8 should go here. How will it go? Whatever is multiplied over here get divided over here, and whatever is divided over here gets multiplied over here. So if x is divided,
I did not understand.
let me complete my statements, then ask question. Let me complete it. How will you understand when I am in the middle of something? So let me explain it. See, whenever in algebra, whenever any number is divided on the left hand side, it will go and get multiplied on the right hand side. Okay. So for example, I'll give you some examples and show you. For example, यहाँ पे x is divided by 8. So it will go over here and get multiplied by
Ma'am, what is X, ma'am?
x is unknown, the number which we have
Variable.
to find. Okay. Which we have to find. I have taken it as x. It is an unknown number. Now what is it? 8 fours are 48, 49, 50, 51. So your answer for this question is 512. Okay. Now let me explain you a little bit of algebra so that you understand how to solve these type of questions. And then you will have to write it also. Okay. So I'm just erasing it. Later on you write. Any question, what I'm telling you, whenever anything is unknown, you say that let that number be x. Let the number be x. You will assume that let us find out the number which we have to find. It is x. Now understand the question. Question is find the number whose 12.5% is 64. So let that number be x, whose 12.5% is 64. So you will write 12.5% of this number which I have to find of x is equal to 64. After that, whatever I did, you understand. Now what I am telling you, like any number, this is another thing. I have solved this earlier. So this is just an algebra question. X plus 2 is equal to 5 is there. Okay, this is an equation. This side is called as
3.
left hand. Which?
Ma'am, 3.
Correct.
3 plus 2.
This side is left hand side, this side is called as right hand side. Okay, because it is on our left of the equation and this is on the right hand side of the equation. Now I have to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, my x should be on one side and plus 2 is over here. So this plus 2 will go this side so that I get x alone over here, and then plus is there, so it gets subtracted over here. Opposite hota hai, opposite side जाने से it is reversed. So here यहाँ पे question में हमको आया था x upon 8 is equal to 64. So x upon means it is x divided by 8. So divide becomes multiply on the other side. Is it clear what you have to remember? So यहाँ पे ये हो जाता है. अगर यहाँ पे x minus 2
Ma'am,
is
if it is X upon 8, so how come it will be multiplied, ma'am? It
because
will be reversed.
यहाँ पे x upon 8 means x divided by 8. Fraction क्या होता है? Fraction is what? Fraction is something divided by something.
Yes.
Fraction is divide, right? तो यहाँ पे x is divided by 8 on left hand side, तो right hand side में it gets multiplied. Always remember. So यहाँ पे x minus 2 है, तो यहाँ पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा?
X plus 2.
No, x तो अकेला हो गया ना, because minus 2 को इधर भेजना है. 7 plus 2. So x की value हो गई 9. Are you getting it?
If you multiply 64 into 8, then we'll get the answer of x.
Ma'am, is there any
be
equation
your-
in which we have to? Ma'am, is there any equation in which we have to come like this to like this?
Just one by one. Yes, Muni. Be a bit louder.
The answer
Let Munib ask question. Yes.
Ma'am, is there any equation from which you have to take from right hand number,
Yes.
side number
Correct,
to
correct.
left side?
Yes. Suppose I have this question. 2 is equal to 4 minus x. ठीक है? अभी क्या करूंगी मैं? यहाँ पे minus x है. I don't want minus x की value.
Ma'am,
I want
plus 2.
I want plus x की value. Okay, I don't want minus x की value. So what I will do, minus x को इधर लेके आऊंगी तो it becomes plus x plus 2 equal to 4. अभी x, I want only x on left hand side. तो ये plus 2 को इधर लेके जाओ. So I get x is equal to 4.
Ma'am, you cannot directly take 4 on the left hand side.
You can take. तो फिर क्या होगा? देखो. ज़्यादा confusion होगा, so that's why I did that. इसमें I can do, see there are number of methods in
So
which
ma'am, we'll take X this side and then we'll do plus.
हाँ.
We'll do plus
See,
2, then
other
it will
method
be
which
4.
Munib is telling कि I want to take 4 यहाँ पे, so I can take 4 यहाँ पे. If I take 4,
So then ma'am, when we got 4, then why did we?
Ibrahim, let me complete this. So 2 है यहाँ पे. If this 4 comes over here, what will happen to 4? Will become minus 4. Okay. So 4 comes here. 2 minus 4. यहाँ पे है, you have minus x. Now 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And here you have minus x. Minus and minus gets cancelled out. You get x equal to 2. Because they have not done integers, so that is why I was not doing this. Okay. Next chapter I will be doing integers. Then only they will understand. So this I did because this is also one way. So you can do this way. I don't want minus x. I want plus x. So I shifted plus x over here and 2 over here. 2 comes over here, plus 2 hai. So it becomes minus 2 over here. Okay. Now Ibrahim, now ask question. Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, like I was telling that when we did x over here, then already we had the answer too. So why did we do the method full?
Second method because Munib asked. There are so many methods you can. Suppose I have a question. Suppose I'm giving you a question. Just the basic algebra thing I'm doing. Okay. 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. Okay. This is one question. This type of question if you get, how will we do? Who will try this? What will we do first? What will be my
Ma'am,
first
can
step?
I try?
Yes, Munib.
Ma'am, first you will have to put this 5 on the right hand side, ma'am. So it will become 3 minus 5. 2x is equal to 3 minus
5. Okay. So what is that? Minus 2. Okay.
Yes.
And this is
2x.
2. Now what will I do? Because I want the value of only x. 2 is
Ma'am,
multiplied over here.
2x upon minus 2.
No, 2 into x. So
Ma'am,
2 will
can I
go
say?
here and gets divided. Yeah. Yes, Amina.
2 will go on the right side and it will get divided by minus 2.
हाँ. So minus है, minus 2 नहीं. Multiplied है तो यहाँ sign change नहीं होगा. Just plus and minus पे sign change होता है. Multiply में divide हो जाएगा. So यहाँ पे 2 into x है, right? 2x is 2 into x. So 2 into x, it goes over here and gets divided. So minus 2 divided by 2, the answer is minus 1. Okay. Is it clear,
So
right?
x's value will be minus 1.
Ma'am, if you do like that, if you take 2 on left hand side, then also the answer will come same only, no?
Why will I take 2 on left hand side? Because x is on left hand side. I want unknown thing on left hand side and known thing on right hand side.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
This is for you because they have a little bit of idea of algebra. Abdullah, Ibrahim, Yahya.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
What you have not understand, you have to
Ma'am,
ask.
I also, ma'am, 2x
the
is
whole
equals
thing,
to
ma'am.
3.
This question also you have not understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Like,
ma'am. In the
X and
question
then
only.
find the thing, ma'am. I did not understand.
How? What?
And everything, ma'am. There you have to find the X and everything. I did not understand.
Were you listening, Abdullah? Huh?
Yes,
Ma'am, the question says find a number whose 12 by 12 and a half % is equals is 64.
Did
Like,
you
ma'am, I
understand?
did not understand the method you are doing for X. Like, you have to do it on left hand side and everything. Then it becomes plus and from minus.
And the x is just a
Understood
dash, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment.
Ma'am, explain on whiteboard.
Huh. The method, did you understand or not? That 12.5% of a number is 6. The question.
Ma'am, I didn't. The
did you
question. Yes, but not the left hand side and right hand side. What?
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
have to
Not.
remember?
We did not understand how to find that the value of X and.
How to find the
and-
value? Okay, just remember
Yes,
some
and-
few points. Humaira, have you understood? Humaira, did you understand? Did you understand? Okay, so the previous Mandela, they have understood. Only the new Mandelas. Okay? So listen, because this is a new topic for you, so it will take some time, but try to understand. It is very easy because your whole mathematical problem can be solved using algebra. So this is just ABCD of algebra. Algebra में क्या होता है? We take something, whatever is unknown, we take it as X. X means we don't know that thing. ठीक है? So in most of the question, we assume that Whatever is unknown, we assume that this number be x. And then we'll solve the process and we'll apply the rules, and x की value we will find, and that is your answer. समझ में आया what I'm telling? Whenever we are trying to solve a question, whatever is asked, let us assume that number be x, because I don't know the number in the beginning. Then I solve it using a particular equation, and in the end you get the value of x, and we say that this was the answer which is asked. Okay. Now what happens? What are the rules that we are going to? Ibrahim, why are you smiling? See, you don't pay attention. You're talking somewhere, and then Rashna also I see
Ma'am,
smile.
I did not. I'm not talking. I saw the background. That's why I was
Whose background?
laughing. Nothing, ma'am.
Whose background is funny? See, you people, if you don't pay attention, if something is new being taught, and then continuously you're saying, I don't understand, we don't understand. This is an easy way of speaking that we don't understand anything. If you don't put your effort, you will not understand anything. And then you're wasting time of the people, those who have already understood. Now, are you ready for the class, Ibrahim? So please come in the serious zone. Because even I am speaking continuously. So please just pay some respect. Okay, listen to me now. What rules I was telling? Anything you have understood what is on left hand side, what is on right hand side. Okay, equation will have what is called as equation. Equation will have a equal to sign. Now all of you know what is equal to sign. You know what is equal to sign? Okay, so there is equal to sign. Whatever is on the left hand side is LHS, and what is on the right hand side is RHS. Mostly we try to keep x on left hand side. Whatever is unknown, we keep it on left hand side, and whatever is a known quantity, we write it on right hand side. So
Like,
just
ma'am, the x which is unknown number, we keep
it
it
is
on
always
left
on
hand
left
side,
hand
and
side. Yes,
like this 12 and a half and
Ma'am,
64,
correct,
we keep
correct.
it on the right hand side.
Ma'am,
Yeah. So
can we just say left hand side and right hand side, because the how to spell it, it's very hard.
we always mention LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS short form we say. ठीक है? अभी तो we don't need to write it. When we are proving something we write. Okay, now suppose the equation is 2x plus 5. Suppose अभी 2 नहीं लिख रहे हैं. I'm just erasing it. X plus 5 is equal to 15. ठीक है? What is on my LHS? Yeah, tell me, what is on LHS?
X.
Sirf x. Only x is there on LHS. LHS means
And-
equal to
and
the left hand side. So, and you don't have to say. You have to say x plus 5 is on LHS. Ibrahim, what is on RHS?
So means left hand side means before equal to sign, and
Yes.
RHS means after
Equal to sign. Correct.
equal
Equal to के left hand side पे x plus 5 है, and equal to के RHS पे 15 है. So what is on RHS? Tell me. Right hand side.
15.
15. Now, what is my aim, Abdullah? In this question, what do I want to find? What is my aim?
Ma'am, the value of x.
Correct. Value of x. So I told you कि whatever is unknown, I have to keep it on LHS alone. So I want to keep x alone on LHS. So I have to shift 5. Okay. How will I shift 5?
X is equal to 15 minus 5. We will do 15 minus 5.
Correct. So now you have understood why minus I did, because यहाँ पे you had plus 5. So if this shifts its place to the opposite side of the equal to, it will become opposite. It will take an opposite sign. So 15 minus 5. So answer is 10. So you got x की value 10. This was my aim to find out x की value. ठीक है? Now another type of question. Now suppose अगर ये x minus 5 होता.
Ma'am, that 12 and a half one, can you explain that?
No,
12 and a
later.
half.
First understand
Ma'am,
x
then-
कैसे solve करते हैं.
Ma'am, I understood the method.
Ma'am, x is in
15 plus 5.
हाँ. So answer is how much?
Ma'am,
20.
Okay, एक बार multiplication division का करने
Ma'am,
दो.
I
Now
want to say
suppose the
something.
question is, wait. Let me complete this topic, then you ask. Note करके रखो क्या doubt है. Now if my question is 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Now can you tell me how will I solve?
Ma'am, we will do
Yeah.
2x is equal to 2x is equal to 15 plus 5.
Plus कैसे होगा अब्दुल्ला?
Sorry, ma'am. Minus.
So it is 15 minus 5. Okay.
2x is
10.
2x is equal to 10 हो गया. Now I want only x. You know 2x का मतलब होता है 2 into
10
x.
plus 5. I'm
So
10
what should I do in the next step? Multiplication. So multiplication becomes division over here. So 10 upon 2 हो जाएगा. This is division. 2 यहाँ पे multiplication था. So it comes and divide over here and 2
5 by
2 5
5, ma'am. Answer is 5. But ma'am, I did not understand what 2x it was. So what happened to 2?
2 multiplied था ना x से. So multiplication becomes division over here.
I understood like 2x is equals to 15 minus 5. Then 15 minus 5 is 10. And
Correct?
then
So I
x.
put 10. So 2,
Yeah, and then
just see, 2x is 2 into x. समझा? 2
yes.
into x. So multiply sign को हम लिखते नहीं है algebra में. When we don't write anything, it is understood it is 2 into x. But अगर number होता तो I cannot write 23. So I have to write 2 into 3. समझ में आई बात? So algebra में 2x we write means 2 into x है. So multiply को यहाँ पे जाके it should be divided by 10. 10 by 2 हो जाएगा. Is
So
it clear?
ma'am, x is equals to 10 by 10. 10 then how 2
10
came?
divided by 2 because यहाँ पे 2 multiplied by x था तो यहाँ 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 को you can write in fraction.
Because the x real number is 5
And then we have to do lowest
multiplied by
form.
2.
Answer
But we
is
multiplied by 2.
Is this clear
Okay.
now, rest of you? The rights I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Anas, Rashida. Okay. I
Yes.
think Mandela's already know. So now this method I used in 12.5% वाले question में. ठीक है? तो question क्या था? I'm writing. ठीक है? The question was 12.5% of which number is 60 क्या था? 4.
Yes, ma'am.
64.
64.
Yes, ma'am, it was 64.
हाँ, तो which number I don't know. So I just wrote 12.5% of, let the number be x. ऐसे लिखना पड़ता है. Let the number be x. So 12
Ma'am, in
and a
exam we have to write let the number
हाँ,
be x.
always x लिखना पड़ता है. So 12.5% of which number? So this number is x I have considered. So 12.5% of x is 64. Is means equal to, ठीक है? Is equal to 64. So 12 इसको solve किया तो ये कितना होता है? 25 upon 2. Percent को I will write it into, you can write like this also, और इसको ये confusing हो जाता है. So it's better you write divide by 100 क्योंकि later step में then you get confused. So I have written divided by 100 and of की जगह पे you write into x equal to 64. Now is this step clear to everyone? Yeah, is this step clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you know fraction का division में how do we do? Multiply किया, reciprocal किया, 100 है मतलब 100 by 1 होता है, so 1 by 100 हो गया, and into
Ma'am,
x किया.
I did not understand how 8 come in.
I'm coming to that. Wait. ये हो गया 25
And
ones
ma'am,
are-
how it became 25 by 2?
ये mixed fraction है ना, 12 1 by 2.
अच्छा हाँ, yes.
So 25 by 2 हुआ ना? Correct? So now what you have over here, this is ऊपर में क्या है? ऊपर में क्या है? 1 into x. So 1 into 1 into x. और नीचे में क्या है? 2 into 4. Correct? Is it clear, Yahya, this step now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you get x upon 8 equal to 64. ठीक है? What did I teach you? x से कोई चीज मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो यहाँ जाके डिवाइड होता है, यहाँ पे x से डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो यहाँ पे ये जाके क्या होगा, what will happen over here,
Multiply.
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 So x की वैल्यू निकल गई.
Ma'am, we can do with normal method also, na? 64 multiplied by 8.
This is a normal method ना, मैंने कैसे
Yeah.
किया, एक ही तो मेथड है मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, I did mentally. Okay.
Yeah, I told that we can do on paper also, like we can show.
You can do, yes, you should do on paper. Otherwise mistakes होता है. Because I have practice, so I do it mentally. ठीक है? When you also get a lot of practice, you do a lot of practice, you can do mentally also. ठीक है? That's why I tell you to solve questions. So now is this method and the question clear, everyone?
Yes. So ma'am,
Yes,
x's value is 512.
Correct. X की value 512. Now some more question you try. It's okay if we don't get, क्योंकि new method है. But try to learn this method. This is very important method. Always we need this method. कहीं पे भी किसी भी topic में we can use this method. So you can see 512 is the answer. Just write down this question, everyone. Because later on अगर आता है a question. Okay. What is the number 6 1 by 4% which is 2? Okay, यहाँ पे तो मैंने आंसर ही दे दिया है. Just note down this question. Third question है ना. What is the number 6.5% of which is 2? Same question है. But don't copy this answer. I'll tell you what to write. First, write down this question. What is the number 6 1 by 4% of which is 2? So you will write let the number be x. Then 6 1 by 4% of x is equal to 2 है. ये क्वेश्चन देखो रॉन्ग किया हुआ है इसमें, इसलिए डोंट कॉपी दिस. दिस इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज परसेंट साइन. नाउ व्हाट इज 6 1 by 4?
Ma'am, it is 25/4.
Okay. And percent को what I will write? Divided by 100 into
X equal to 2.
Yeah. So next step, what will I do, Amina?
Ma'am, you will
I'll change
multiply it 1 upon 100 into x is equal to 2.
Yeah, so 25 ones are
By ones and fours are.
So what is now
And
x by?
ma'am, you can also do 4 ones and 4 ones are.
Nahin, nothing is there. Niche you cannot cancel. Upar niche only you can cancel. Just copy down this question.
32 will be the answer.
Yes. So answer is 32. Everyone just copy this question. You have to solve the other questions in the same way. Those who have completed, just write the previous question also. 25 1 by 2% of which number is 64? That one was the first question. Any doubt is there in solving algebraic questions? Please ask.
Ma'am, I didn't understand because I couldn't hear
Which one you have not understood?
this question. I didn't hear what you said, so.
No, this is the same method. The first question we did, you have understood the first question. Just the same method I have written. I'm telling everyone to copy down this.
Ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Nothing extra. Same process. The step is also same. I have not explained anything. Just written it so that you copy down. The first question. You remember the first question? The same question. Only the numbers are different. Instead of 26 1 by 4.
Ma'am,
it was
I want to
25
ask
1.
something.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, 6 1 by 4. So, you did like 6 4s are 24,
24
then
plus
plus
1.
5.
Plus 1.
25 by 4 divide.
Haan.
Yes,
Answer is 32.
then answer came
Ma'am, answer is
25 by
32.
4, then
Yes, answer is 30.
divided by 100.
Yes,
Then you
divided by
did
100
divided by
because it is
100.
why it is divided by 100? Because percentage always, when you convert it into fraction, it is always divided by 100. So that's why I have removed percent sign.
Ma'am,
And
what did you say, ma'am? My internet was gone. I
Are
couldn't hear you. Why
percentage को
100?
replace किया, percentage को replace it by
Oh,
divide by 100. You know ना, percentage को convert
okay.
करते हैं into
Yes,
fraction.
and then we multiplied by x is equals
Fraction
to 2.
division में you make division into multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of the divisor. So I did reciprocal, which is 1 by 100, and into x तो ऐसे ही है, and then do the lowest form 24 4s,
Yes.
and then
There
4
was
into
no denominator.
where with x.
Ma'am, there was no denominator beneath 100. So you did the reciprocal and added 1 by
1.
100,
Yes,
right?
no denominator means it is
In
1.
25 by 4 multiplied.
Any number has no denominator.
Yes.
That is one denominator. 32 means 32 by 1. Okay. Is it clear, Ashta? Now do the next question.
Ma'am, I did not understand, like, when we got 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, so you did multiplied
4 into
x
4.
is equals to 2, so x
Then
by 16.
correct.
Oh, 4 into 4
Ma'am,
is 16.
can we do the fourth
Next
question?
question. Yes, you have to do it on your own and give me the answer. This question I'm not going to do. This is the same pattern you have
Ma'am,
to.
so you multiplied by 16 by 2 and then you got the answer
because
32,
यहाँ
right?
पे division था, x by 16 था ना, तो 16 goes here and get multiplied.
Yes.
Okay, do the fourth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me the answer. Same way में, huh? That let that
Like,
number be x.
yes.
So fourth का answer क्या है?
Follow.
Anyone has got question number 4 का answer?
Ma'am, it's 12.
12. Okay.
Ma'am, it is 12.
Okay, let me see. Let
Ma'am,
that
we can
number
do this
be-
mentally also.
50%.
Yes, ma'am, you can do it, ma'am.
But follow this process because ये simple question था, you could have done mentally, but यहाँ पे इस type के question में you cannot do. So just write down this method and do 50% of x is equal to 6. Okay. So यहाँ पे तो सीधा divide कर सकते हो because it is a fraction. When the question is asked, you cannot do mentally. You have to do the steps because step marking hoti hai. So you cannot write the answer directly. So this way you will get 12. Same method, instead of divided by 100, I just wrote divide by 100 because fraction mein hai. So 52 is 100. So x by 2 equal to 6.
Ma'am, what did you wrote 50 under 50? What did you wrote 50 by 200?
50% is 50 by 100. Lowest form mein 51s are 50, 52s are 100.
Yes.
So after cancelling, I got 2.
Done.
Done? So can we move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not finish writing that.
Do it on your own. You can do answer is 6. Okay, it is gone now. Do it on your own. Answer is 12. Now, what percent of, now same type of question, what percent of 24 is 6? Similar question. No, what percent, so X percent of 24 is 6. You have to write like this, okay? Thoda sa difference hai. But again, X you have to find out. Question is, what percent of 24 is 6? Okay. So let X percent of 24.
The percent.
Ma'am, you don't do that, ma'am.
Hmm?
Let the number you have to write, or we will write let the percent be X.
Let the percent be X. क्योंकि यहाँ पे percent they have asked. This side they have asked, not this side. So X percent of 24 is 6. So X percent को how will you write? X upon 100. Of को you will write into 24 equal to 6. Do the lowest form. You can do the lowest form. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, and 0. Again with 2, 2 25s are, and 2 6s are. Okay. So you are having over here 6x upon 25 is equal to 6. Now see, observe over here, what will I do? Because I want only X. Everyone pay attention over here. Now, if you get this type of question, everyone, Abdullah, just pay attention over here. Now, when I get 6x upon 25, what will I do? Because x से 25 divide हो रहा है, x से 6 multiply हो रहा है. So, यहाँ पे जाके I want only x. So, what will I do? ये वाले 6 को. What will I multiply and what will I?
Ma'am,
6 divided by 6.
5 into 6.
6, because this 25 I will multiply over here.
And then 6 by 6.
And this 6 I will divide over here because this 6 is multiplied. So this actually cross ho jata hai. So 6 comes over here and 25 goes over here and gets multiplied. Why? Because
And you could do that in 2 steps also, na, if you want it
you
to be a
can do it in
simple.
2 steps also. Okay, I'll do it in 2 steps. Wait. I'll do it in 2 steps so that you again don't get confused. So I'll first write 6x is equal to what? 6 into 25. Okay. Then x is equal to.
Ma'am, the answer is 25.
Yes, ma'am, the answer is 25. X is equal
Answer is 25. 6 से 6 cancel हो गया. Answer is 25. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Can I do the next one?
Yes, do the next one now. Copy the first one and do the next one. Rupees 125. What percent of rupees 125 is rupees 10? So again, X percent of rupees 125 is rupees 10. Should I erase this question? Everyone has done?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
1 minute.
Which question done, Abdullah?
Ma'am, the first one. Now I'm going to do the second one.
The second one.
Second one I didn't understand. Rupees 125 is rupees 10.
अरे question ये है, what percent of rupees 125 is rupees 10? First question, go through the first question.
Done, ma'am.
10. Okay, wait. Rupees 125 is rupees 10. I'm doing on white screen, whiteboard. What was the question?
Ma'am, you don't do that question, ma'am.
The question is second wala.
Second.
The question is what
What
What percent of 15 rupees is equal to 10?
What percent of
125.
120 is 10.
is rupees 10? So let the percent be x. ठीक है? So what will be your question? X percent of rupees 125 is equal to rupees 10. अभी solve करने के लिए rupees हटा दो because confusion होगा. Now you solve. What is the answer, Munib?
X is equal to 8 rupees.
8% rupees नहीं percent है ना अभी question में. So 8% will be the answer. ठीक है? Let me check. Anyone else has got? X percent means x by 100 into 125 equal to 10.
25 कटे 25
52.
25
Wait, 25 na? 25 fours are and 25 fives are. Yes. So next step में आ गया 5 into x.
5x by 4 is equal to 10.
Yes.
And then it will be x is equal to 10 into
Into 4.
4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 into 4 is equal to 8.
Yes. So 8% is the answer. Okay. Answer is 8%.
8.
Yes. Everyone got this 8? Abdullah, Yahya, Ibrahim, Rashta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Coming to the next question now. Now, next question, do it on your own. What percent of 4 kilometer is 160 meters? So you have to find X percent, okay? What percent of? Now I got answer from the rights. Huh? Rashta, Yahya, Ibrahim, Anas, Abdullah. Always write X percent, huh? X percent of. Okay, here it is kilometer and meter. So convert it into just first step. Pay attention over here. Convert 4 kilometer into meters because these two units should be same. Here you have meters. So convert X percent. 4 kilometer into meters is how much?
400.
No, 4,000. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So 4,000 meter is equal to 160 meter. So these two units should be same. Earlier it was rupees and rupees, so it was fine. But यहाँ पे kilometer and meter है. So you have to convert.
And the unit should be same, right? In the questions.
Yes, unit should be same. So it should be because 1 kilometer.
Ma'am, my
Yeah.
network was gone, so can you tell me the answer? Can you explain me the answer of the two?
Which one? 2 or 3?
24. No,
Two का
rupees
answer is
25.
2 का answer is 8. 2 का answer is 8. 8%.
Can you explain me?
Simple. ऐसे करके लिखो and solve it. Algebra की तरह. Do this one and then you will understand. फिर do question number 2 on your own. X percent means what? X by? X
Ma'am, I
percent.
have done till multiplication. So I have 125 means. And
कितना
with the
Ma'am, 40%, ma'am.
25 is 10.
Okay, let me complete this, Yahya, then I'm coming to you. ये 2 0 से ये 2 0 गया, correct? So 40x is equal to 160 you are getting. So x is equal to 40 multiplied है तो 60.
No, ma'am,
160.
sorry, wrong, ma'am.
Only 4% na, Abdullah. Abdullah, 4%, not 40%. Check your answer.
Ma'am, sorry, I forgot to write X. I wrote only X4. I forgot to write the 0.
Okay. Yes, Yahya. So your this 125 वाला कैसे करना था? X upon Yeah, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
X upon 100 into 125, right? यही किया था या?
Yes.
Okay, cancel it. 24
Yes.
and
4 and 5.
5.
X 4 and
नहीं, 5 into x. Numerator multiply.
yes.
One question, ma'am.
Coming to you, Munir. Just a moment. 10. 4 है divide में, 5 है multiply में. तो यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा? 10 हो जाएगा multiply में 4 and 5 हो जाएगा divide में. उल्टा.
Ma'am,
5 2s, so answer is 8. Is it clear?
Ma'am, I am getting instead of 4, I am getting 3%. See,
How?
ma'am, instead of 4, I am getting 3%.
How? Tell me.
Ma'am, see, after you did x is equal to 160 upon 40, I did by 10 ka table, 10 4s and 10 16s.
Correct.
Then I did by 2 ka table,
Okay. 2
2.
2 4, 2 8 16.
Achha, 8 sorry. I did.
ठीक है ना? So you'll get same answer. कोई भी method करो, answer should be same. Next question, ये जो 3 question है, just do it for homework. Copy down these questions. Rupees, what percent of rupees 8 is 25 paisa? So you have to convert 800 paisa. ठीक है? 2 days is 8 hours and 1 liter is 175 millimeter. Always see the units same should be there.
Ma'am,
Just
wait
copy
1 minute.
these 3 questions in homework. What percent of rupees 8 is 25 paisa? Convert rupees 8 into paisa. You know 1 rupee, how many paisa? 100. So 800 paisa. 2 days. So 2 days, how many hours? 2 into 24. And 1 liter, how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. So 1000 ml. Written all the 3 questions?
No, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, can you give it in classroom?
Just copy down these questions. Because
Ma'am,
Google
because
Classroom
I have
homework is there.
because I didn't
ma'am,
do
got
the because I didn't do the third one also. No.
Ma'am, can you send practice questions on email?
On Google Classroom, I would be sending, na?
Yes,
always-
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Because
these
I,
only are practice questions.
This
na, that
whole,
you are-
I will send you this one question है ना, ये all parts I will send you today on Google Classroom. ठीक है? Fine
yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay. चलो ठीक है then. I'll be sending you now. Only I'm sending. Check your Google.
Ma'am, I want to ask you one question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Answer for question number 4, the answer would come in, I think so, decimal, ma'am. It will come in decimal.
You can see 800. Sorry, rupees 8 na.
Ma'am,
So
it is
800
I will tell you the last step, ma'am. 8 divided by 8
is equal to
divided by 25, ma'am. 8 divided by
25. X is equal to 25 by 8. Correct. So you will get it in decimal percent. और ये कर लो ना mixed fraction. ठीक है? 3 1 by 8 हो जाएगा. 3 1 by 8%. चलो ठीक है. I am sending
I
you
will put it in decimal.
on Google Classroom. Okay. That's all. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.